The Cat D9 dozer is a versatile machine designed for use in a variety of applications. Examples include heavy lifting, bulldozing in production, storage, winching, site maintenance. Cat D9 is highly reliable and fully integrated. D9 components work together to ensure peak performance, high availability, and long life. With traction control for firmer footing, the Tow-Haul Komatsu 830 helps your driver stay focused and operate efficiently even in slippery conditions. Using this advantage, the Tow-Haul Komatsu 830 is helping the Komatsu 930 truck that crashed at the Kalawasi Rosario mine out. Like a mighty bull, the Tow-Haul Komatsu 830 uses its head to pull the Komatsu 930 truck well. Cat went to the mountain slopes to build roads so people could cross the mountains, bring goods to the market, and bring things home. There are no applause or big titles, but they do important work. The Cat D9T is renowned for its outstanding productivity, operator comfort, and high reliability, and up front it is a giant rock. The Komatsu D51 crawler bulldozer was on duty to open a road through the forest when it encountered an obstacle, a large rock. With a power of 131 horsepower, the Komatsu D51 scoops up the rock to roll it down and pushes it aside. This material mining yard is the main playground of machines from the manufacturer Caterpillar, including Cat 785B mining truck, D11 crawler dozer, or the giant trench digging vehicle standing there. This is a medium-sized Cat D6 bulldozer opening a new road, but a rather large mango tree is blocking the road. After 2 to 3 steps of backing and bulldozing, the mango tree was knocked down by Cat D6. The turbo roar is very clear. PHL 2350 wheel loader is designed to accommodate central cargo trucks with a capacity of up to 360 tons. It is a rigid, off-highway dump truck specifically designed for use in heavy-duty construction and high-productivity mining environments. creativity has no limits in all fields. Here's an interesting demonstration of that. The homemade tiller really works very effectively. Continue to be homemade cultivators with parts including tractors and cutters from the cutter to create an 8 horsepower cultivator. With a T16 tractor and a set of choppers mounted on the back, people working in the fields shred the ground. The mining area is flooded. A large wool loader Cat 994 and a dump truck Cat 793 are working in it. The question is why the mine owner doesn't invest in pumps to treat water here. "500 tons of dirt pushed together by 5 bulldozers at the 260-acre Caterpillar Malaga Learning Demonstration Center in Spain." The performance was very beautiful and impressive, with the great teamwork of 5 bulldozers creating a beautiful land wave. After completing the performance, 5 bulldozers appeared like 5 superhero brothers in a hero movie series.